No duo creams. Just a shark factor.
That's fine.
Duo cream.
That's fine. Here you go. I'm just saying, you might be XO in the tournament, but I'm just qualify first. Just get there. Sure.
Actually,
What? Actually, give me a second. No, you're good.
He's holding it.
Sure.
Do you have shark too? Yep. Oh, hard.
I don't think that helps you, but I mean, you go hard.
alright, are you making first turn Shockmaster or Abyssal?
I love my list so much. It's like so good. Yeah. You're like the best there ever was.
I wish I was the best there ever.
You're like Mitt Romney.
It's like Mitt Romney.
Yeah.
What is that game?
Just kidding, I'm sure.
That's fine. That's fine. Would you like to lower your sharks level?
I think you should raise it.
Raise it to 5. Make it Atreus.
Yeah, do it.
No,
And then fuck me roll with the end of a pogo stick.
Atreus, final attack, then realize.
Damn. Holy shit, it changed its level.
I'll change this level.
Someone grab it and affects it.
Sure, bro. So is this higher or lower? No. We're having a fun duel, sir. Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Actually, you're going for money. That can get you banned.
I don't give a
Oh,
fuck.
that shark's in attack position. That's crazy.
Actually, it should be.
Sure.
Are you cheating?
Actually, no, fucking. You don't.
Spells? Spells or monster effects?
Awkward. Awkward decision.
Oh, I can't.
No, you can't, yeah. Nice to see.
It's okay. His T-Vision is negated for turn. He called it spell cards.
Duelist.
That's crazy.
Can't
That's
either.
crazy. You have like the perfect response head.
Probably does. Do you have Dragoons?
No, he's in the meta though.
Is that okay?
Good game.
Who, me?
Rhodes is faggot. He hasn't got shit. He's weak.
Ouch. Ouch.
Nice bomb trap hole, faggot. Oh, you're gonna get raped.
Well, that's crazy.
Pick up your fucking cards, Luke Feeney.
I don't know, man. I tried to play Ian Jones and I tried to make Black Rose
God!
times.
Luke Feeney!
Make sure you YouTube the back row.
I'm like a magician, only stronger.
So hard.
I tried to make
God
Black Roses
damn.
against him and he does double.
Nice hand, Luke Feeney. Go ahead, keep doing it. I don't give a fuck.
Wow, what a play.
Jesus.
Sure, that's fine. I will draw a card
See
now.
what I mean? You should pass it.
Good game.
Now you're going to lose.
He's gonna lose. He'll lose real fast.
Wow. Can you draw
he at?
any more lucky? Draw fucking triple D-Vision.
I'm gonna play a diva.
Let's go back.
Scoop that shit.
Duo cream.
Give me that money. 2-0 cream.
Hi, dude.
2-0 cream.
well.
Dude, this is my
He
list,
drew
nigga.
so well.
How'd I draw well?
He drew so bad.
Are you kidding me?
He couldn't stop the double diva.
He
That's all
had
that
Gilbert.
mattered.
What? He couldn't stop the double diva shit out of the 8.
I
He
didn't
couldn't stop the Black Rose. He just lost.
After match
I don't know when
thoughts.
you drew a Black Rose, he couldn't stop it. That's all I know.
How's it feel to get raped? Rape!
I drew a Black Rose against his macro. You know what happened? He went to